Mahi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and everything is going amazing, and I really hope that you guys are safe. Okay, so today's video is a requested video. कुछ दिन पहले ना मैंने पोस्ट किया था माई सरोजनी ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन एंड आई गॉट अ कमेंट कि आप ना ज्वेलरी इसेंशियल्स करो, लाइक यू नो something that is essential in jewelry and everyone should have. So first of all, I personally think that silver jewelry, like silver junk jewelry, is not essential for everybody. I am a hoarder and I love silver jewelry. That's why I have like a bunch of silver jewelry. But this video is gonna be about dainty jewelry, basically जो बहुत ही sleek jewelry होता है, and you know something that goes with almost everything. So we'll do a video around that. But again, essentials is like a very subjective term, you know, like मेरे लिए जो essential होगा वो obviously किसी और के लिए नहीं होगा. तो जो भी मुझे लगता है कि every girl should own, like you know, certain kind of jewelry, I'm gonna show you that in today's video. And yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. Let's talk about earrings first. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि hoops तो ऐसे earrings है जो almost सबके साथ जाते हैं. तो you should definitely have few like in you know in different sizes. Like these ones look super cute. इस तरह की earrings बहुत ही cute लगते हैं. If you are someone who doesn't you know like to wear big hoop earrings, like I love to wear almost every kind of jewelry. But yeah, so these are some essential items that you should own in earrings. Like these are very simple hoops. इसमें थोड़ा सा डिज़ाइन है. These were like gifted to me by a friend, and ये तो आपको कहीं भी मिल जाएंगे. These are very basic hoop earrings. I got these from Sarojini, I guess. Like obviously these are like very easily available. So the thing is ki sometimes you know you have like golden touch in your outfit, sometimes you have like silver touch in your outfit. So try to have hoops in like gold, rose gold and silver. These are like very basic you know kind of things that you can have in your jewelry closet or something. And then we have some hoops in gold. Now these ones are really cute. I got these from H&M. Now if you don't want this charm in your earrings, you can easily remove it. There you have like a very basic gold hoop, and these are like very basic to you know style. And if you wanna add a little extra, then you have a charm to it, which I think is a really great idea. And you can definitely DIY you know such hoops like very easily. सबके पास normal hoops होते ही है. You can just add a little charm of your choice, whatever you wanna add to it, and yeah, you'll have some really cute earrings to yourself. I think pearl earrings look amazing. They give you like a very professional look. So if you are an office going girl or something, you should definitely own a stud in like pearl, like just a single this. Now I don't own something like this, but you get the idea, right? If you're wearing like a blazer or something, or it's some office meeting, so simple like this stud earring will look really like smart with your outfit. But yeah, I just wanted to include these pearl earrings also. Now I know हर जगह और हर किसी को same pearl earrings नहीं मिलते हैं, but the idea of including these was to include something pearl in your jewelry closet, because it's like always a classic. And obviously this is not like real pearl, right? Someday we'll have that, but yeah, till then I think these are just working fine, and they look like really good with everything. They also look good with you know saris and all, because ये काफी classy लगते हैं साड़ी के साथ पहन के. So yeah, next pair of earrings I wanted to show are these ones. So I have put it in the category of statement earrings. Now if you're wearing a very simple dress, it's like a huge heart dropping from your ear, so I think it will make a statement that you stand for love and you're a very loving person. So okay, jokes apart, the idea of showing these earrings is that you should definitely include and you know invest in at least one pair of statement earrings, so that when your outfit is like very basic and you just don't want to put an effort in your outfit, you can amp it up with you know some statement earrings or some statement jewelry. Now we have covered our earring section. Now in the necklaces I wanna show you this one. So this is like a very dainty gold necklace. I got this from Accessorize and it just looks very cute. The thing about dainty necklaces is that you can, you know, layer them together. And now this is like a very normal and very simple chain gold necklace. I got this one from H&M, and as you can see, it's already like layered. It has 2 layers of it. Now if you want to go a little extra, you can pair like 3-4 such necklaces together and it will look amazing, because layered jewelry looks amazing. Just make sure all the gold that you're pairing is like, you know, similar looking, because gold में भी काफी सारे shades आते हैं. Yeah, just invest in some dainty pieces like these. You can easily find such like this gold chain wala necklace very easily. You can find it in H&M, in Forever 21, in Accessorize. Like H&M, I love H&M क्योंकि H&M और Forever 21 के prices ना थोड़े similar होते हैं, but हमेशा Forever 21 की जो quality होती है वो मेरा काला हो ही जाता है. But H&M का quality I love because it just stays, you know, it doesn't go black like really easily. But now I got this one, so I don't have a like single chain wala dainty piece in silver क्योंकि सब काला हो गया है मेरा, but I have this layered necklace. So if you are someone who love, you know, layered necklace, this is the piece for you. I got this one from Forever 21 and it just looks amazing. Like it will never go old. Try my best to link similar pieces down in the description box below, because these pieces are like old, like 1 or 2 year old, so I don't know if I'll be able to find same links, but मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि थोड़ा similar looking मिल जाए. Now let's talk about some rings. Rings इतना ज़्यादा मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ, बहुत like होता है ना once in a while I wear it, so उसमें मेरे पास ज़्यादा pieces नहीं है दिखाने को. The idea behind it, I'll tell you. Invest in such dainty pieces. Like this is like a really pretty piece. Look at this. So I got this one from Club Factory, जो कि अब बंद हो चुका है इंडिया में, but you can get such pieces. I think ऐसा rings H&M वगैरह में मिल जाएगा आपको easily, नहीं तो online कहीं तो मिल ही जाएगा, you know, if you look for dainty rings. The sad thing is I can't wear it because it's like big, too big. So you can go for, you know, stackable rings, like such rings. Again, these are like loose to me, so these were sent to me by Peeper Bella. You can stack them together or you can just wear like, you know, however and wherever, in whatever finger you want to, because these will just last you and it will just add something extra to your look. So yeah, this is again I think an essential piece of jewelry that you should own. Let's cover the topic of hand accessories, like basically your watch, bracelets and all of that. Now best accessories for your wrist that you can ever invest in is a watch. Like it's never said enough, but watches are the best. I'm telling you, watches are the best. And right now, like you know, stack your bracelets with your watch and it just looks amazing. So I got this bracelet. It's a very simple silver bracelet and it has some charms. It's like it has a globe, a passport and an airplane, because you know I love traveling. I mean, who doesn't? I think I got this one also from Club Factory, but similar like bracelets are available everywhere on every street market. I've noticed it after I ordered it, but yeah, you can find it like very easily. I paired it with this watch. This watch was gifted to me by a friend and I think it looks great together. You definitely have a watch in silver again because it's the best accessory, and you should definitely have a watch in rose gold. If you have not accessorized na kuch bhi, like suppose apne earrings, necklace कुछ भी नहीं पहना है, but if you're wearing a watch, it will show that you have put some effort in your outfit. So I think it's like really nice. Then again, go for like a rose gold watch. If you are someone who just wears, you know, one kind of metal, like if you are someone who's just crazy about, you know, like silver or maybe rose gold, just invest in one type of watch. Now I have one in gold, one in silver, one in, what is this, rose gold, and one for when I just don't wanna wear those chain wala strap, because then I have this leather wala strap, and I think tan goes with almost everything. I got this watch from Chumbak. As you can see, iska jo dial ke andar print hai, it's very like, you know, Chumbak like, kyunki they make like owls, cats and just animal and very cute stuff. So yeah, I got this watch I think 3 years back. Yes, it's very old and it still works. So yeah, best accessories that you can own for your wrist is a watch. Now I have this one in gold. It's still new. Again, it was sent to me by Joker and Witch, and the rose gold watch that I just showed you is also from there. Now yeah, so you just, I love this watch because it has like a magnet here. मैंने tag भी नहीं निकाला है अब तक. So you just wear it like this and tight it और बस हो गया. I really love this watch, but अब तक मैंने actually ये पहनी नहीं है. So yeah, you can invest in such bracelets that obviously you can wear without even watch, but they look like amazing with a watch. Also this one is from Joker and Witch. I'll try to find it क्योंकि ये तो online था, तो ये तो मिल जाना चाहिए कि like same piece. Otherwise काफी ये जो style है वो Daniel Wellington जो watch का brand है उससे मिलता जुलता है, because they do like bracelets plus watch together. I think मैंने सबसे पहले तो उनके पेज पे देखा था ये ट्रेंड, and then everybody started making it. So yeah, this was it about the essential jewelry pieces that I think you should own. And it's not like you should own, but if you just want to update your jewelry collection, then these such kind of pieces looks great with almost everything. So I really hope that you guys liked this video, found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section below like which one was your favorite piece, and do you also love dainty jewelry? Yeah, just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.